Assalamualaikum and good evening. So today I want to present about project that is Pak Choi Project Hydroponic. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group member. So this is my group member and my name is Muhammad Akib and that's my friend Ali Haris and Alia Inshira. So first of all I will explain our project, which is the introduction of the project is the Pak Choi project. This is our project when we were in Pearl Diploma. We use a hydroponic system to grow plant. We use this method because it's easy for us to do maintenance of the plants. Next, I would like to explain the concept of production cost. What is the concept of production cost? The first definition is product cost refer to the total expense produced by the manufacturer a produce of service. And the second importance, understanding production cost help produce make the decision on how much to produce and how to control expense for higher efficiency. And next step of cost is to understand how cost actually and how they affect business decision. First, fixed cost. Cost that do not change with output, example like rent and machinery. Number two, variable cost. Cost that change with the level of production, example like seeds, fertilizer and labor. 3. Total cost, fixed cost plus variable cost. And number 4, average cost, total cost divided quantity produced. And lastly, marginal cost, additional cost of producing one more unit. Next, profit maximization concept. Profit maximization is the process of determining the best output level and price to get the highest possible profit. Profit equal to revenue minus total cost. And next, profit maximization with marginal cost equal marginal revenue. And as you can see the formula, produce more to increase profit and reduce output to avoid loss. And lastly, optimal level of output.
I would like to present my part, which is my part is total variable cost. In total variable cost, we have input, price per unit, quantity and total cost. In input, we have A and B fertilizer, water pump, tubing hose and labor. For A and B fertilizer, price per unit is 12 ringgit and the quantity we use is 2 packs. The total of the cost of the A and B fertilizer is 24 ringgit. For water pump, the price per unit is 50 ringgit and we use quantity 1 sack. Total of the cost is 50 ringgit also. Tubing hose, the price per unit is 30 ringgit. We use 5 roll and total of the cost is 150. For labor, 7 ringgit per hour. The quantity is 50% and total of the cost is 420 ringgit Malaysia. So total variable cost is 644 ringgit Malaysia. We move to another slide, which is another slide show average variable cost. If you want to find average variable cost, you have to total average point. You have to divide it with output, which is total average point is 644 ringgit divided to 150 ringgit and the answer is 4 ringgit 29 cent per plant. This slide shows total fixed cost. In total fixed cost, we have input, price per unit, quantity and total cost. In input, we have seed, net pot and also we have spine. For seed, price per unit is 5 ringgit. The quantity we use is 1 pack and total of the cost is 5 ringgit. For net pot, price per unit is 3 ringgit. We use 15 pieces and the total of the cost is 150 ringgit. For spine, price per unit is 2 ringgit. We use 5 pack and the total of the cost is 10 ringgit. So total of the fixed cost is 165 ringgit. This slide shows average fixed cost. If you want to find average fixed cost, you have total fixed cost, you have to divide it with output, which is total fixed cost is 165 ringgit. You have to divide it to output. Output is 150 ringgit and the answer is 1 ringgit 10 cent per plant. this is total cost. If you want to find a total cost, you have to total variable cost plus total fixed cost, which is total variable cost is 644 ringgit. You have to plus with total fixed cost is 165 ringgit, and the answer is 809 ringgit. And the last part of me is average total cost. If you want to find average total cost, you have total cost divided to output, and total cost is 809 ringgit and the output is 150 ringgit. So you have to divide it 809 ringgit divided to 150 ringgit, and the answer is 5 ringgit and 39 per plant.
So now we talk about TR. TR is total revenue. TR is selling price times quantity sold. TR, we can say 4 ringgit for one packet times 115, and we can get 600 ringgit. Now, for output, we have pak choy. Price per unit, we have 1 ringgit. Quantity, we have 115. Total cost, we have 150 ringgit. So, for our total, we have RM 150 ringgit. So now is AR. AR is average revenue. AR can we say total revenue divide quantity. So now we turn to RM 600 ringgit divide 115, and we can get 4 ringgit per pack. Project profit. Profit is total revenue minus total cost. Profit, we can say 600 ringgit minus 5 ringgit 39 cents, and we will get 564 ringgit and 91 cents. Now, profit per plants, we have 564 ringgit and 91 cents divide 115, and we will get 3 ringgit 90 cents. We will call it profit supernormal. It's good to me. So this is my turn, and I will share for you about recommendations. So for the firstly, use rainwater to save water costs, because this can reduce the cost of water productions. Second, provide high profit with a faster harvest cycle, so you can generate better and safer profit. Next, we have production costs are not too high and have to get high and faster returns. And lastly, about recommendation, we have less labor intensive, so this can save money on paying workers. And for the lastly, for me, we have conclusions. In conclusion, the main objective of this project is the profit from the result. Using the hydroponic system is very easy because it does not require a lot of capital, and it can be done without requiring a large space, and it's easy to care for the plants. That's all for me.